Welcome to the Poppins Period Learning Hub. Let's chat about insertion. Before we start inserting, a few tips. Number 1, know where your cervix is. A quick self-exam can give you a lot of insight. Insert a clean finger and feel for something that feels like the tip of a nose. This is your cervix, and this is where we are aiming. Number 2, practice some folds. See how they feel in your hands and practice the motion of inserting while holding the fold. Number 3, relax. Now, let's get into it. First, wash your hands. Then, get comfortable. Sitting on a toilet or squatting in the shower tend to be easy positions to insert the cup. Fold your cup into your favorite fold. Relax and gently insert your cup into the vagina. When the cup is almost all the way inserted, release the fold, allowing it to pop open. How do you know if your cup is open? Run your finger around the sides, checking for dents or folds. The cup doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It might be ovular, but you don't want any big dips. Partially opened cups can allow leaking, and we are not about that. How can you help your cup to pop open? Rotating your cup an entire turn will often be enough to help your cup pop open. You can also pinch the base in the opposite direction of a fold or push a point like this near the base to help release the fold. When you know your cup is open, push your cup in the rest of the way, gently bearing down as you're pushing it upward, aiming for your cervix. That's it. You're all set. Your cup is inserted. If this is your first time, feel free to wear period underwear or a backup liner while you're getting the hang of it. You got this.